You feel perpetually exhausted. There is a constant, vibrating anxiety in your chest that never stops. You find yourself rehearsing conversations in your head, tiptoeing around shifting moods, and wondering why you are losing your grip on reality. You stay because your brain's survival mechanics have been methodically rewired. A master manipulator understands that physical chains invite resistance. To establish control, they design a psychological leash that enforces compliance without ever leaving a mark. This is a hostage situation, managed by an active predator quietly harvesting your emotional data to claim your life as their own. The human mind is hardwired to trust what is familiar. Manipulators exploit this biological glitch through a process known as the chameleon effect. They listen heavily. They study the precise way you laugh, the specific vocabulary you use when you are tired, and your exact personal tastes. Within a week, they will adopt your distinct hand gestures and mirror your exact phrasing. This calculated mimicry bypasses your natural skepticism. It makes you feel deeply seen and completely understood in record time. This is a methodical calibration. By observing how you process grief, how you seek validation, and react to stress, they begin to reconstruct your entire persona from the inside out. By embracing this perfect echo, you provide the predator with the exact psychological access they need to dismantle your identity. Once they have mapped your personality, they begin to isolate you. They don't forbid you from seeing friends. They subtly devalue your external support systems until a phantom void opens in your life that only they can fill. Cut off from your normal circles, they become your only mirror. Their reaction dictates your worth. If they smile, you have value, but if they frown, you are garbage. This chart illustrates intermittent reinforcement. A massive spike of affection plunges to freezing. You scramble to fix it. Right before you break, they offer a crumb of warmth. This chemical relief creates a trauma bond, an addiction loop, like a rat waiting for unpredictable rewards. Your emotional equilibrium is now anchored entirely to a predator's shifting moods. With your emotional state secured, the predator moves to the final stage, identity erasure and the social hijack. Anytime you experience joy independently, they pick a fight or feign illness. Your subconscious learns it is unsafe to be happy without their permission, forcing all your energy back onto them. They turn their attention to your inner circle. They spend time with your closest friends, but instead of using their own personality, they use yours. They tell the jokes you would tell and share the insights you gave them in private. If you wear an outfit you've owned for years, they tell your friends how cute it is you are adopting their style. They have successfully convinced your social circle that you are the one copying them. To the outside world, you appear to be an unoriginal shadow. This is a bloodless murder of the soul, plunging you into a state of severe cognitive dissonance, where your original presence is entirely replaced. The physiological toll of this captivity is devastating. It manifests as chronic insomnia, unexplainable autoimmune flare-ups, and a crushing, total mental exhaustion. You look into the mirror and cannot recognize which parts of your personality are genuinely yours and which parts have been weaponized against you. But an invisible anchor only holds you down if you remain blind to its existence. You can shatter the frame, stop reacting, stop explaining yourself, become completely unpredictable, and withdraw the emotional data they feed on. Walking away from those intermittent drops of dopamine to find the ocean on your own is the hardest withdrawal you will ever face. When the mirror can no longer reflect anything back, the illusion collapses. Brutal honesty is your armor. Snip the leash and take your reality back.